In this problem, we're being asked to find the value of a so that f prime of a is 4 times the value of f prime of 1. Let's go ahead and write this statement in algebraic notation. So we want to find f prime of a so that it equals 4 times f prime of 1. You might need to figure out, though, how to get your hands on the derivative here, because after all, we're being asked for f prime of a and f prime of 1. So let's go ahead and figure out how to take the derivative of f of x here. We're going to rewrite f of x equals square root of x as x to the 1/2, so that we can use the power rule that we know. That 1/2 is going to come down in front as a coefficient, like so, and then we reduce the power by 1, making it negative 1/2. So this is f prime of x. Let's go ahead and figure out f prime of 1. F prime of 1 would be simply taking the value of 1, plugging it in for x, giving us 1/2 times 1 to the negative 1/2, which is just 1/2. This is because 1 to any power is 1. So 1/2 times 1 is 1/2. Let's go ahead and put that in place now. Let's do this in blue. We have 4 times 1/2. And then f prime of a is the same derivative, but instead of 1 being plugged in for x, we're going to plug in a. So we have 1/2 times a to the negative 1/2. The right-hand side we can condense into just 4 times 1/2 is 2. The left-hand side, I'm going to use my exponent of negative 1/2 to figure out a way to rewrite that a to the negative 1/2. So first things first is the negative means reciprocal. So this is going to be 1 over 2 times a, and then the 1/2 as a power means square root. So anytime I see something being raised to negative 1/2, it's really sitting in the denominator as a square root. Now if I ask you to solve for a here, I would probably do multiply over the square root of a to the right and then divide by 2. So watch carefully as I say this becomes 1 over 4. I'm dividing the 2 from the right over to the left, and then I'm multiplying the square root of a over to the right. And if I ask you to solve for a, all you would need to do to both sides is take the square, or square both sides, and if I square both sides, I get a equals 1/16.